In making parts with our rotational casting machine, I'm going to first show you how I do it with our silicone boot reinforced fiberglass molds. Many different molds and different styles of molds can be used on our machines.
In this video, I'll be using a mannequin head mold, a rubber boot, silicone rubber boot, with a fiberglass reinforced cradle. First, we spray mold release into our silicone rubber boot, making sure that the boot is aligned properly into our fiberglass cradle. All is fitted tight and made sure that it's ready to go. We assembled it onto our machine. Seeing that the silicone boot is aligned again and making sure that all the seams are nice and tight. I add the bottom plate and just finish the assembly. Now we start with mixing some white alumilite. This is a 1-to-1 ratio mix by weight or volume. Here I'll be adding just a small amount of Caucasian dye, also sold by Alumilite. And then making sure that we stir thoroughly. We have about a 30-second window of mixing time.
Now, after mixing the chemical thoroughly, let's pour it into our mold and switch the machine on using the jog switches, both inner and outer, simultaneously. Let's set a timer for 5 minutes. This will give the material just enough time to solidify so we can add another coat. We want to make sure that our machine is also spinning one time for the outer rotation to 3 times of the inner rotation. So this 3-to-1 spin will cause what we call the candy cane effect or the barber pole effect inside your mold, allowing the material to fully cover the inside.
Once our 5 minutes is up, we're ready to add a second coat. Take our jogs and switch them so that our mold sits upright and is ready to pour. Note the cork is a silicone cork with an aluminum tube that is run through the cork. This allows me to fill the mold, yet the tube keeps the material from coming back out of the mold. And we set another 5-minute rotation and continue on until that 5 minutes is up. Then we take our digital inspection camera and check the inside of our mold, making sure that our coat looks good and thick inside or to whatever consistency we were wanting. Once we've fully inspected, we're ready to demold our part.
Open the mold carefully, exposing a portion of it. Pull it on out, and there you have it. Lovely color and very little seams. And our mold, just a little bit of flash. All set and ready to add to the collection of parts.